Everyone, it's June. Welcome back to my channel. Please, before we go any further, if you're not a subscriber, I need you to press that little red box that's right over there. Press subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell notification so you can be updated on new videos that are coming up. If you hear a noise in the background, that is, what is it, National Grid? I think they're doing so much work on the street, the noise just comes into my house, and it was so bad the other day, I couldn't even film a video. So it's a little further away, so you're still gonna hear it. Hope it don't bother you, but I just wanted to make this video because I promised an update. And so here it is. So today is what, October 5th. It's Friday, October 5th, and I did the neem oil twice this week. I did it twice. It was very hard for me to even do the second one. I haven't been feeling all that well, little under the weather. Been trying to relax here and there. I just feel out of it. I felt like a stomach bug coming on, and then I don't know if it's allergies, sinuses, or just a cold, but a lot of people have been sick around me, so I figured maybe it had to be something like that. So yeah, I only got to 2, but I mean, I'm gonna show you my hair as I do in every updated video. I don't see any difference from last week at all. I mean, I looked and I was like, all right, it looks the same, but you know what? I mean, really, is the hair supposed to sprout out like such an amazing difference every week? I mean, there could be a difference, but I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't have a little measurement. What I do see is I see some little hairs like in the front sprout out a little bit, more like baby hair. They're very fine, and I've never had those before. So they look like that they were starting to form on my head. My hair still looks thicker. This is me put my hands through my hair. Look, come on. It's just, you can tell it looks thicker. If I put my hair in a ponytail, it feels so much thicker, like the strands feel thicker. Oh, trying to get through this video without sneezing or coughing, so bear with me. Yeah, and I want to address something because I have been doing giveaways for neem oil, which I want to continue to do, and I will continue to do, but I've been getting a lot of mail, people saying that I work for the neem oil company. It's just crazy, and that I don't actually give it away, you know, like it's through the companies to promote them. I tell you in my video, I always give you the link to the neem oil through Amazon where I purchased it. You can go on that link. Am I an affiliate of Amazon? Yes. So whatever you purchase, yeah, I get a tiny little percentage. But in no way has the Naked Neem Oil ever contacted me. I do not do any collaboration with them. You can go to that link, and if you find a neem oil that is cheaper in price, go ahead, go get it. You know, this is just the neem oil that I use. A lot of people want to know, but what's the neem oil you use? That's why I have that link. Go to it. You don't have to, like I said, you don't have to get that neem oil. Any type of, I just did the Dermaroller. There are so many. Listen, the Dermarollers range from like $10 to $40. If you wanted to do a $10 one by a Kmart brand, do it. I'm not telling you. You have to get what I'm using. But like I said, people want to know what I'm using, so I list it all down below. It's up to you what you want to do. So I love doing these giveaways. I pay out of my money for the neem oil. You understand? So I send it to you. I wish I could buy you all neem oil. You know, and I do that. Okay, this lady's really looking at me. She's like, what is this girl doing talking out her window? Oh, the boy just stopped. This little boy just stopped, and he's waving at me. Hello. There I go. So, my body hurts. Yeah, so this is from me. When I do a giveaway, it's from me, okay? And I want to continue doing it because I do want to it makes me feel good. It really does. It makes me feel good. And I hope that you guys continue to allow me to do these giveaways, because it's fun for me. It is. It's a lot of fun. So I will be doing my next giveaway will be in 2 weeks, and I think I'm going to make it a bigger giveaway because I'm using moringa oil on my face and I'm absolutely loving it. I think I'm going to do moringa oil and neem oil. This way you can do your hair and your face together. And yeah, I love it so much. So if you guys want to see, like if you're new here and you want to see the hair growth challenge from the beginning, I will put a card right up here. It's going to come out right there. And just go to it, and you can start from the beginning. Bleh. You can start from the beginning to see my hair growth. And that's it. I just want to give you a quick update. And yeah, there'll be more videos this week. I didn't do an oiling and chit-chatting video because I wasn't feeling well, but I will be doing it this week. So yeah, a lot of you like that because you're watching me actually oiling my hair with the neem oil and what it feels, you know, I tell you what it feels like, and then I just tell you about my day. It's going to be my next chit chat with the neem oil is going to be my health update. A lot of you have been asking about my health with the diabetes. I also got diagnosed with something else, and we'll chat about that in my next video. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you're using for hair growth. It helps others who come to my page and comment. They can see your comments, and we're all here to help each other, uplift each other, and that's it. I love you all. I will see you in my next video. Bye.